Understanding Recessive Genes, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics to understand what recessive genes are. This concept is not just crucial for biology students but also interesting for anyone curious about how traits are passed from parents to children. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of recessive genes together. Before we delve into recessive genes, it's important to understand what genes are. Genes are the basic units of heredity, found in our DNA. They carry the instructions for making proteins, which in turn play a key role in determining our traits, like eye color, hair color, and even aspects of our health. Each person has 2 copies of most genes, one inherited from each parent. Now, let's talk about dominant and recessive genes. A dominant gene is one that will express itself over another version of the gene. A recessive gene, on the other hand, will only express itself if both copies of the gene are recessive. In simple terms, if a trait is determined by a recessive gene, you need to inherit the recessive version from both parents to see that trait. Some common examples of traits determined by recessive genes include blue eyes, red hair, and certain health conditions like cystic fibrosis. Remember, having a recessive gene for a trait doesn't necessarily mean you will display that trait. You need 2 copies of the recessive gene for it to show. Recessive genes play a crucial role in genetics and can help explain why some traits skip generations or why siblings can have different traits despite having the same parents. They're a key piece in understanding the complex puzzle of heredity and genetic variation. I hope this video helped clarify what recessive genes are and why they're important in the world of genetics. Remember, genetics is a vast and intricate field, and understanding the basics like dominant and recessive genes is just the beginning of a fascinating journey. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the wonders of genetics.